What's going on, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 here once again, and today I present to you a 42-inch ceiling fan manufactured by PCI. I'm not really too sure that's just the manufacturer who probably made a lot of different, style fans for many different companies. I'm not really too sure what this particular fan was branded under or sold through, but this was a style ceiling fan pretty common in the early 90s. We refer to these fans as bottom mount spinners since there's no stationary motor housing around the motor. Gives it a pretty sleek design. It's a pretty interesting color too, which is just a light gray finish. Just a couple top shots of the fan. The light kit is not really integrated, but then again, if you remove the light, there's a big gaping hole in the bottom of the switch housing cap. And plus the pull chain for the light is inside of the switch housing instead of light kit alone. So pretty unique fan. In terms of looks wise, performance wise, is not really the best thing in the world, but then again, it isn't really the worst. We'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration here. Start off here with the light. And we'll start the fan up here. This fan has some pretty bad bearing noise. And a little bit of a wobble too, but otherwise it doesn't run too bad. If I haven't mentioned this fan was actually manufactured in 1991. So here's medium. And unfortunately, my furnace is running in the background, which kind of contaminates the noise from the fan. And we'll take it down to low. And we'll go ahead and shut it off here. And so that's about it for this video. So I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this PCI manufactured ceiling fan from 1991. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video.